Alright guys, day 3 here. It is
It's great.
5:30 a.m. but we got this truck done. She's looking pretty minty. So we just gotta get this van up here done today. Then we will also start another truck to finish up tomorrow. And then we're done. But we're sitting pretty good. We'll start getting this side on now. Oh gosh.
Hot and heavy.
Keaton's definitely in the danger zone. But
those wings are still winging.
Let's get it on. I'm gonna try and talk like every other YouTuber.
Alright guys, we got our 4th truck in here. We are about ready to get this job done. We're gonna hammer this out so we can get home. We almost have the last van done, so we are getting there.
Go subscribe.
Let's go. Go subscribe. Hit the channel. Comment, hit us up. Show some love.
No hate comments. We don't want it. All love. Dude, there's some nasty thick
Alright, finishing up van 2 and day 3. And we have got a good jump on truck 2, vehicle 4. We'll just have to finish this up tomorrow. And we'll be good to head home. Have to take a break here in about 20 minutes and go jump on the boat. Just a casual boat ride.
Alright, Carter, what are we doing?
Going to the lake.
That's right. That is right. We worked and we had fun. Now it's time to have more fun, better fun. Do you think old Terry matched the calipers with the boat on purpose, or is that an accidental swag? For sure. Old Carter's got me looking like a Chad. Or a freaking, I feel like a Chad or a Brad.
What?
There's a lot of kneecaps. Hey, Captain.
Papa with my root, that little hickey from Atlanta. I might drop her, stuff up in my fountain. I can't leave the crib unless I know I got the glamour. With that hammer, if I know she go a tantrum. Run up on me, you gon' levitate. It's your anthem. Run up on me, you gon' levitate like a fountain. Keep knocking at that door, you gon' get our answer. Throw that like Montana. I'm gon' hide that dollar and I'ma flow like a fountain. Need some protein, work out like a dancer. I got all up in the snow, just like Santa. All black the coupe, from the Chevy to the Phantom. Like in that dollar, you gon' get our answer. All about a boat, baby, babe, just like Tampa. All about a boat, baby, babe, just like Tampa. Never bad, look, you still babies to society. Everybody a ride, but I ain't had nobody riding. Everybody looking out, but ain't nobody had a eye. Ain't even that deep, and you still chose to lie to me. You must think it crazy. What's your motive? I hope you ain't tryna play me. Walking like I talk it, I keep teeing on the pavement. Got me coughing, I've been steady days. Been hot for a minute, I've been amazing. I've been on the bitch steady. Crazy. dance. I got out of
Wait! Look at me. Move your arm.
Run the shit into the ground. I can hit it on the city. Get our house. All about a rope, baby. All about a rope,
I'm sorry. All right.
There's never a bad time to be filming. In fact,
No, never. There's never.
you can't strive to find good footage. You have to just catch good footage.
That's the truth.